Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about one of the most commonly used electronic component in electronics, that is a diode. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What is a diode? A diode is a semiconductor device that allows current to flow in one direction only. It has two terminals known as anode and the cathode. The basic function of a diode is to control the direction of electric current flow. When a voltage is applied across the diode in the forward direction, anode positive, cathode negative, it allows current to flow through it. In the reverse direction, it blocks the current. There are different types of diodes, each designed for specific applications. Some common types include: number 1, rectifier diodes, used to convert alternating current or AC to direct current DC in power supply applications. Number 2, light emitting diodes or LED, emits light when current flows through them. LED are commonly used for indicators, displays, and lighting. Number 3, Zener diodes, designed to operate in the reverse breakdown voltage region, maintaining a nearly constant voltage across their terminals. They are often used as voltage regulators. Number 4, Ska, Schottky diodes, known for their fast switching speed and low forward voltage drop. They are commonly used in high frequency applications and as rectifiers in power supplies. Number 5, photodiodes. These diodes are designed to generate a current in response to light. They find applications in light detectors and optical communication systems. Diodes plays a crucial role in electronics, serving various functions such as rectification, signal demodulation, voltage regulation, and protection against reverse voltage. Okay guys, so this is the end of my report on what is a diode is all about. One of the most very important components in electronics. It can be seen in all electronic devices. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.